Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki Ninja 650. This twin-cylinder sport bike just arrived with only 7,000 miles. Beautiful metallic gray finish. Bike is in awesome condition. I love that paint color. Really shines. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, twin cylinder 650. Only $64.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.